Guys, today in this video I'm gonna to show you how to open Chrome in safe mode. So guys, this is very simple and easy if you want to open Chrome in safe mode. Firstly, open any browser. After click these three dots, and after here option new incognito window, so click on that. Is you will see you are gone incognito. So guys, this is very simple and easy. Firstly, open browser. After click on three dot. After click here option new incognito windows, click on that. Is and again open Chrome. So control press shift and plus and key. So guys, this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.